Hello everyone, Namaste. In today's story session, we are going to do an interesting story to learn the concept of units and tenths. Once there was a young girl, her name was Avishka. In the holidays, Avishka wanted to put some stall in the apartment where she stayed. She got together with her friends Parishi and Advik to work out something they can do. They thought and they came up with an idea. Avishka had lot of clips, and what they thought, that they can change these clips into beautiful hair accessories and can put up a stall for these. They worked through the summer break, through their holidays, and made the beautiful hair accessories. Now the day they had to put the stall, they were worried. It was their first stall and they wanted everything to go fine. But they were worried. For what? They were worried if many people will come, how they will handle everyone at the same time. They were worried if one person will ask, I want 12 clips. Other says, I want 32 clips. Someone says, I want 27 clips. How they will do that fast to make it easy for them and comfortable and convenient for the people who are coming to their stall. They started thinking. They could not get any way how to do that. They came to their grandma. They asked the grandma, this is what we are worried about. Please tell us how we can do this fast. We want our stall to be a superstar. Grandma said, okay, don't worry. Give me some time. You all come back and I will explain you how you can do this work easily and faster. After some time, when they came back to Grandma was ready with a box of some sticks. She said, now think, these sticks are your hair clips, what you are going to sell in your stall. Now we need to see how we can make it easier for you to handle the customers who come to your stall. What we are going to do, we are going to make bundles of some sticks. Avishka said, we will take 5 in a bundle. Advik said, no, let us take 4 in a bundle. And Grandma said, wait, till what number you can count easily? They all said, I can easily count 10. Advik said, I can easily count 100. Grandma smiled, said, yes, we can easily count till 100, 200, 1,000. But when we have to give things to someone who is waiting at your stall, you cannot keep sitting counting their 100. And if you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 52, 53 and someone will talk to you, you will forget till what number you counted. So let us do bundles of 10. She told, help me count 10 sticks and make a bundle. They all sat in a circle around Grandma and counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Grandma took 10 sticks and made a bundle of 10 sticks. She said, now if someone comes and asks, give me 12 sticks, how much you have to give? How many are in a bundle? Avishka said 10. Advik said 10 and 2, 12. So grandma said one bundle which has 10 sticks and you take 2 more, you quickly give to the person that these are 12 clips and the person can go without waiting for long. Parishi asked, Grandma, what if we make bundles of only 5? It will be easy to count and make. Grandma said, yes, it will be easy. But if someone asks 12, what you will have to do? If the bundle is of 5, you will have to do 5 and then one more bundle of 5. That will become 10 and then you will have to take 2. So it will be difficult if someone is taking 53 clips. So if 53, you can easily take how many bundles of 10? Let me show you. And grandma took out many bundles of 10. Advik screamed, wow! Grandma, you have kept so many bundles ready for us. Grandma said, yes. Now let us see. One bundle has 10 sticks. So we know the skip counting in 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So for 50, how many bundles you need to give? 5 bundles. So you quickly pick 50 and then 3 clips. So you take 1, 2, 3. So 3 single units. 3 single clips. So you have 53 and you immediately give to the person. Now Parishi asked, Grandma, if 37? Very easy. Take 10, 20, 30. So 3 bundles and then from the loose clips you take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So you have 37 clips. You can immediately give that. Avishka now asked, okay Grandma, but how we will know that this is a bundle of 10 and we need to only make 10? Grandma said, see, when we write numbers 11, it is 10 and 1, 11. So 10 and 1 is 11. If you write 12, it is 10 plus 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. So 1, 2, how we write? 12. So it is 10 and 2, 12. If you need to write 32. So 32, how many will be there? 10, 20, 30 and 2 single or units. So how many bundles of 10s you are taking? You are taking 10, 20, 30. So 1, 2, 3. 3 bundles of 10s we are taking and 2 single units or 1 and 1, 2 we are taking. So 32, it becomes 3 to 32. So what is the number in tens place? It is 3, 3 and 2. Because there are 3 bundles of tens. So 3 comes in the tens place, and she showed a box to them on which she had written T for tens. And she took out another box. On that she had written O or U. Avishka asked, "Why O or U?" Grandma said, O means ones. One we are counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are counting one digit, or single unit we are taking as a number. So we write O for ones or U for units. We can write anything. For tens, because we are using the units in bundles of 10, we call it tens. Now, I am putting all the tens bundles in my tens box, and all my single sticks, single units in the units or ones box. Yes? Now I am going to tell you one number, and you all will give it to me. Let me see if you understood. Now Advik, give me 46. So Advik came and said 40. 1. No, it is 10, he said. 10, 20, 30, 40. He kept 4 bundles. And Grandma, what number? 6 units. Okay, so Advik counted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I did it. Grandma said, wait. It is 46. But what is the number in the tens place? Advik started thinking, number 40. Avishka said, no, it is 4. We have 4 bundles of tens. So in the tens place, we write 4. And in the units place, we will write 6. Advik said, yes, I know, it's correct. Now Grandma said, okay, Parishi, your turn. Tell me 24. Oh, it is very easy. 21, no. 10, 20 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I did it. Grandma said, yes, but what is the number in the tens place? Parishi said, tens place, we have 2 bundles of 10. So it will come 2. And in the units place, I have 4 single units. 4 units or 4 ones. So it will be 4. 24. 2, 4. 24. Everyone clap for Parishi. Now Grandma said, it is Avishka's turn. Avishka, give me number 13. Now Avishka was confused. 13? Grandma said, yes. How we write number 13? 1, 3, 13. 10 and 11, 12, 13. So 10 and 3. So 10, 11, 12, 13. So how many bundles in tens place? 1. And how many units? 3. So it is 1, 3, 13. 1 in tens place and 3 in units place. So now, did you understand how you have to make the bundles. Put your clips in bundles of 10. Put the tens or the bundles in tens box. And all your loose clips you put in the units or ones box. And when someone comes, quickly one person can count the bundles, count the units, and give. Another person can take the money, count, and the third friend can write it down. So it will be easy for you to manage the stall. Now they all three were very happy. They all three were very happy that grandma made it so easy for them to manage the stall. They went and they set up their stall and they were able to manage it very comfortably. And all the people who came to their stall were very happy how they had made the bundles and they were giving to them without making them to wait for longer time. So, now did you all understand the concept of tens and units or ones? Play this simple game with your friends, with your teachers, and enjoy making different numbers and placing them in the tens and units place.